going to treat both the skin tightness and skin laxity here with the profound, as well as we're going to try to treat some of the irregularities after liposuction here. Okay, so we're using the profound dermal handpiece, and we're marching down the side here, but we're going to eventually make rows along the entire abdomen in the marked area. There's some microneedling. As you can see, we've done all this segment here that comes in, and I'm going to deploy the microneedles. They're in, and now we apply the radio frequency energy, which is going to tighten the skin as well as build up new elastin. And this is pretty typical for the response. You can see